Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating every Vlookup instance in your workbook. Use Ctrl plus F to quickly find Vlookup and note each sheet. Once done, inspect the lookup table ranges and which column index the formula returns, because that determines how you'll replace results. Make sure to save a backup copy first so you can revert if needed. Now you're ready to take the first actionable step. Convert live formulas to values where appropriate or plan a replacement function if lookup logic needs preserving. Next, decide whether to freeze results or rebuild logic. If values are final, copy the Vlookup cells and paste special values to remove formulas while keeping results. If you need dynamic behavior, replace Vlookup with index and match to allow leftward lookups and more robust matching. Write index, range, match, key range, 0. Make sure to update $anchors on ranges so formulas still work when filled. Once replacements are done, evaluate dependent cells to ensure no hash ref or broken links appear. Finally, verify outputs. Scan for hash and /a hash ref or hash value, and use trace precedence or evaluate formula to find causes. Fix mismatched keys or ranges if needed. Once clean, remove any helper columns or temporary ranges you created, but make sure dependent sheets aren't using them anymore. Document what you changed and keep the backup for at least 24 to 48 hours in case a stakeholder requests a rollback. Troubleshooting tip. If many errors appear, restore the backup and test replacements on a copy to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.